Hello, welcome. Let's try to solve combinatorics problem. So the combinatorics idea is that basically we're gonna choose something. So for example, for this problem, basically we are giving a laser beam. So let's just try to check the laser beam. So yeah, for the first row we have 3 laser beam, and for the third row there's nothing, but for the third row there are 2. As you can see, 3 times 2 it is 6, and 2 times 1 it is 2. So the final result is gonna be 8. Yeah. So this is the combinatorics problem, and basically it is all about mathematics. And for this problem, it is not so difficult. We just need to use 3 times 2 plus 2 times 1. Yeah, because it is just the different combinations, and this one is independent, and independent to this one, 2 times 1, and this is 3 times 2. So this is very obvious. Now let's just try to solve it. So we're going to prepare a result array, but there are some programming tricks in Python. I think we're going to learn about it. Yeah. So basically, we're going to check the bank. So for being bank, we're going to use n to record the count of 1. So we can use the b.count. So this is one of the methods. Now we can check this n. If n is more than 0, so basically there's something inside this b. So we're gonna put it inside. So the result should append this number. Yeah, because we cannot append 0, otherwise it's difficult to calculate. We just need to append all the numbers which is not 0. Finally, we're gonna check all the numbers, but let me prepare an answer for the final result. Then for AB inside, we're gonna use a pairwise. If you didn't use it now, you should use it, because you can save several lines of code basically, and you can use pairwise. It is just to pairwise 2 numbers inside of the result, and the answer would plus equal to A times B. And finally, you just need to return the answer. Yeah. So the pairwise is just like if I give you 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, you just pairwise like a tuple of 1, 2 as AB and 2, 3 as AB, and you just get the final result. So this is gonna be the pairwise. Yeah. Now let's just try to run it and submit it to check if it works. As you can see, it works and it's pretty fast, and basically this is a ON time complexity, but n is the length of the bank, and we also need to check the length of the string. It is n times m. Let's check the length of the string. So it is mn, so it is 500 times 500 normally for this time complexity. Thank you for watching. See you next time.